Today I am going to show you a card. I've already done this over on my Facebook, so there was a Facebook Live. It's the Classic Garage. It's a new suite from Stampin' Up. It's in the Occasions catalog. There we go. I have the light ready to do down. I don't have super great lights. This is a masculine set. So I'm going to show you a couple of different cards. If you want to see the entire demonstration of the card, like if you want to see me roll the stuff through the big shot and all that, you can go over to my Facebook. It is Sherry's Cards, the same as my YouTube channel. And if you go over there and you like and comment on my Facebook Lives, which I try to do on Wednesdays, I took a break over the super busy part of from on stage, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all that. So I'm starting them back up again. But if you're over there and you comment and share and things over on Facebook, then I do drawings and prizes if you're in the United States. So go over there if you want to win some stuff. Often the prizes are the cards that I create here on YouTube. Because especially if I do them here and then on Facebook and I've already made one, I end up with multiples of my cards. So what I'm going to show you today is the Classic Garage. I do have a card that I'm going to demonstrate, but before I do that, I'm going to show you a couple of the different elements from the suite. I'm going to stand up here. I'll show you a little bit better. So here's the stamp set. You can see it's got some fun words. My favorite image is this little grease blotch right there, but it's got fun words. Happy Father's Day, you jumpstart my heart. The car, of course, is the focal image of it. It's got the little gas can. So it's also got 6x6 designer series paper. It does have the dies, which cut out a lot of the images, but then also have some fun thin ones of their own, which I'm going to use one of those today. Then really cool little wrenches and keys, and then some ribbon. So let me show you some of that. Here is the embellishments that you can get. Those are the wrenches and the keys. So those are fun. Let me show you the paper. The paper has, where did I lay it? That's what I get from going from one thing right to another. So it's great colors. The colors are basic black, basic gray, curry, pumpkin pie, real red, tranquil tide, vanilla, very vanilla, and whisper white. So they are great masculine colors, great car colors, great classic colors. So they go, there's odometers, there's keys, there's wrenches, there's tires, there's fast, there's signs, there's maps, steering wheels, there's tires. There are when you look in the catalog, you'll see that there is a large car here, which they do cut this out in the catalog. So if you notice that in there, that's not, there's just one stamp image of the car, but there is that they've cut out. And then let me show you a couple of the other cards. This one you may have seen. It was one of the first cards that I put up. See if I can get it. There, block my light. This is one I do have the tutorial up for this on YouTube. It was one of the first ones I did from the Occasions catalog. So super quick, and I used the black foil paper for the tiny gears on that. I'm going to use the black foil paper again with the large gear set that comes with the catalog. This one right here is made by another demonstrator in my group. She used the map paper out of the designer series paper, and then she stamped the car and just cut it out of the silver galvanized, which is a carryover from the holiday catalog, as is the black foil, which I'm going to use. This one is real fun. This one you can see it has the key, and then she also used the ribbon. See if I can get it so it's in focus. And then she used the Brusho, and she used the grease splatter, but because she stamped it multiple times, it changed into the fumes from the car. So how clever is that? And then on this one, she also has the inside where she just used a little bit of the paper. So, and this one says all geared up to celebrate. We always like Stampin' Up's play on words, and I know a lot of car fans, a lot of dads like those puns, so they'll like those punny little words. Here's my helper. He's come to help. He did also make an appearance in my Facebook Live, if you were watching that. And then this one is real clever because it takes the gears, but instead of making them masculine, another one of the demonstrators in my group, she did this, and she, just by changing the colors up, they've become a little bit more feminine. So the words that she put, some things are just meant to be like the two of you together. So she's taken it with the way that gears work together and just taken a different spin on the gears. Real super clever, that one. So now, if you want to close your eyes, I'm getting Amy down. Of course, you're going to see my cat because he's on the table. And let me just show you a real super quick demo. Come on, Branson, hop out. We already knew I needed him to leave. Well, you know, I made the one card and then I didn't get more paper. So let me get some more paper. This is a camp card that we're going to do this weekend. Okay, this is real red. So I've got it folded in half. My husband's home and the cat got out. So that's how fast my cat is. So I've got real red. I'm just going to take the grease splatter, add one little splatter here. It's the only red I'm going to do, and you can see it's a real tone on tone little effect. I've already stamped my car because I did the Big Shot pieces already. So I stamped it on shimmer white because shimmer white's my favorite color, because it's not white, not vanilla. So I order more shimmer white as a neutral than I order any white or vanilla. Then this says You're a Classic, which I like that because it can be for whatever. It goes great with this classic card, but it could be a birthday, it could be a retirement, it could be a job promotion. There's a lot of reasons that we could use that saying. I chose the colors for this card from the paper, and I have just taken a little strip of this paper, and I know that I have this paper laying here. If not, I'll go get another one. But when I just did my Facebook Live, I had 2 of it. I should have cleaned up all the way, but I was trying to get this done before my husband got home. Here it is, which obviously I didn't beat him. So these are little signposts, and then I just took a larger strip of Tranquil Tide. It's pretty on the other side too, and I just ran out of adhesive. So the rest of my card's not going to be glued together. So just put this strip here and mount this here. And then these are the larger gears, and I just ran those through the Big Shot. You can see black foil paper. They run through super easy. Like I said, you can go back over to my Facebook Live if you want to see me run those through. And in fact, I ran it through on that time, this same as I ran it through this. These are the same ones. I haven't run them through a different time.
Come back in.